Hello everyone. Welcome, I'm Xerox, and today, I will be showing you how to create a realistic fake YouTube video background. From this to this. But avoid this type of video recordings with your hair trans poking out just like in this video. We will be doing this for free without paying anything. Only using AI platform and online Photoshop tool. If you are interested to see that, then let's get started. First, go to www.leonardo.ai. Once it opens, click on to create an account. Use Google to sign up because it is easier. Choose the Gmail account you want to use. On this page, just choose any name you want. I will use Xerox AI. Then select your interest. Simply click Stock Images. Then after that, confirm that you are above 18 years and click Next, and it will take you to this page. Select Image Generation. And here you type in your prompt, but you can follow what I typed. And with the free token you get after signing up, you can now generate your background with this powerful tool without paying anything. With this settings I have, it will cost 32 tokens. Click Generate and wait for the result. Here is the result, and I will choose this one. So I click on Download to get it. Next, head to Canva or Photoshop. But in this video I will be using an online Photoshop tool, so go to www.photopea.com. Once it opens, click on New Project, and select YouTube Thumbnail Template, which is 1080 by 720 pixel. Next, drag your image on the canvas and stretch it to fit the canvas. Set it how you want it and export as either JPG or PNG. I will use Ping. After that, we will now head to Capcut, the PC version, but you can still do it on the mobile version. Next, load your two files, that's the image and the video sample. And for the video sample I'm using, it's from www.freepik.com. Next, bring in the background image and stretch it to the length of the video. Bring in your video and match the image length to its length. After that, select the video and go to the Remove Background section. Come over here and click on Auto Remove and wait for it to finish. As you can see, it has completely removed the background. You see the error as a result of the trends of hair. Avoid that. Now select the background image and head to the Effects section. Search for Blur Background and select this one. Insert it and stretch it to match the length of others. If you try to change the location of the blur background effect, you will notice that it doesn't work, so drag the video out of the way and pull the background image closer to the blur effect. Set your blur opacity to 20. After that, select the two and right-click. Then click on Create Compound Clip. Then bring back in the video above the image background. Next, go to Filter option and choose the filter that suits what you want. And there you have it. Export and use it for your YouTube videos. I hope you like it. Please subscribe and don't forget to turn on your notification bell for future videos. Happy creating!